what is the minimum length of mirror required to see full image of the person? If we want to see full image in the mirror, what must be the height of the mirror? So for that we will do the calculation with the help of the geometry. So we will take, first we will take height of the person. Consider this is the person's height, and head we will represent it as A and feet we will represent it as B. So this is the height of the person and we will represent it as H. And somewhere here consider this is the eye of the person. So this height from head to eye, this height we will take it as X. From eye to feet, this distance, this height we will take it as the Y. When we take height of both X plus Y, we will get it as H. Now we want to see the full image in the mirror. Now first we are not knowing what is the minimum length of mirror, so first we will take full length mirror. Here I will take full mirror, full size mirror. This is our plane mirror. I will write here mirror. This is our plane mirror. So now this object is placed at a distance of D from the mirror. If this object is placed at D distance, the image is also formed at the same distance as that of the object. Condition we have studied in the plane mirror, that at what distance the object is kept in front of mirror, at the same distance image is formed behind the mirror. So this, at this point the image must be formed B dash at the same distance. Here this A dash is formed. So this is the height of the image, and this height is also H, because condition is that the object size and the image size both are same in case of the plane mirror. So here this height is all, this height, image height is also H, and this distance both are equal. So here I will write the distance as D. Now we want to calculate the minimum length. So for that, if we are observing this image A dash B dash, means the two rays must be entering in our eye. So these rays are coming and these rays are entering in our eyes, then only we can see this image. So now if this image is this ray is entering in the eye, means this is our ray which is entering in our eye. So our eye, what it will do, it will retrace this ray back. When it retraces this ray, we will extend this and we will get the image somewhere at this point, and here also when we extend we will get here image. But actually this ray is not coming from B dash. Actually this ray is coming from the B. This is our incident ray, and in this case also this ray is not actually coming from A dash. The ray is actually coming from the A, and it is reflecting here. This is our incident ray and this is our reflected ray, but our eye is not having capacity to bend the ray back and retrace. So we will do the extension and we will find image at this point A dash and this B dash. Both this image is behind the mirror, but actually the rays are coming from A and the B. This is the ray coming from head and this is the ray coming from the feet. And next, this must be the height of the mirror to see the full image. So what should be this length of the mirror? This is our question. So now to find this length, what we will do means, we will take this half center point. So from this point to this point we will draw one perpendicular line, and here also this is center. This is our incident angle, this is our reflected angle. Here also incident angle, this reflected angle, both are equal. Here also both the angles are equal according to laws of reflection. So now if this distance, if this is the center point, means this distance will become y by 2 and this distance is also y by 2. If this is also center of AE, then this one will become x by 2 and this is also x by 2. Now we want to calculate this length, means you take this line from this point to this point. So this is the total length of the mirror. So to calculate this length, we have to add this distance and this distance. So this distance is how much? X by 2. So L is equals to x by 2 plus this y by 2. So L is equals to 2 x plus y. L is equals to x plus y. Already we have written that x plus y is the total height. So x plus y is h divided by 2. So L is equals to h by 2. Means the length of the mirror is equals to half of the height of the person. So this must be the minimum length of mirror required to see the full image of the object.